Following the divine law is so important. Following her rules is so important. If you don't follow, that's what we see or we encounter those disasters, fire, earthquake, because she becomes angry. She becomes very sad towards us as a human. Let's don't make her angry. Let's take care of the divine rules. Let's take care of our own planet. Let's take care of our own self, our soul. Let's don't become so brutal so that the divine just become angry and takes revenge. It's a lesson for humanity to understand and to protect all this essence of this life, humanity and nature and the universe. All belongs to one rule, the divine rule. No one can break that.